Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss Echo Auto first generation. First 100 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Add Alexa to your car, connects to the Alexa app on your phone, and plays through your car's speakers via auxiliary input or your smartphone's Bluetooth connection. Includes vent mount. Designed for the road with 8 microphones and far field technology. Echo Auto can hear you over music, AC, and road noise. Go beyond radio voice control. Echo Auto through the Alexa app to stream from Audible, Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Sirius, and radio stations with TuneIn and iHeartRadio. Just use your voice to play music, check the news, make calls, add to your to-do list, set reminders, pay for gas, and more. Do more with auto mode. Turn your phone into a driver-friendly display that complements your Echo Auto. See what's playing and save time with easy touch shortcuts to your favorite places, people, and content.